Welcome to 110 North Parade in Shirley. This is the next house on our Superhome virtual tour, and I'm here with Peter and of Ethos Homes, and he's going to talk to us about some of the details of what he's doing here to hopefully target certified passive house standard with this house. Pete, what's your biggest challenge here with this project?
There's been a few challenges with this project. Number one is actually trying to make it meet the passive house standard with the heating loads and demands and window placements and actual window choice. So we've gone with the thermally broken aluminium window here. That is from Weather Shield in Christchurch. They import their window frames from England, the warm core range. That's worked out really well with the recessed flashing design and sills. The ventilation system was a challenge to get within the thermal envelope, but it ended up working out really well. And also the elimination of thermal bridges with quite a bit of steel in the house. It's got a very good form factor, low surface area to volume of air in the house, and we got a blower door test result of 0.19 air changes per hour, which is exceptional.
That's awesome. So is there anything that you've learnt on this project that will help you for the next project?
Yeah, who to use and who not to use.
Yeah, in terms of
contractors and also streamlining the process.
Yeah.
Is very, very important for us to be involved in the initial design.
Yeah.
The more experience that we get with building these homes, the more that comes.
Yeah, well, it's been a common
prevalent
theme with just about all the homes that we've visited. The importance of having the right team from the start, and from an early stage, having everybody on the same page and working together.
Yes, it is. We all have our strengths and weaknesses, but if we're in it together, then we can bring all those strengths together and actually get the result that is desired from the client.
Yeah.
We're really passionate about building these homes and getting that result, and we will go above and beyond to get that result, but we're hoping as we do more and more of these projects that we can streamline some of these issues, mainly around doors and windows and ventilation systems, that we can actually make it more affordable.
Yeah, I think that's a key thing. It's the biggest impediment for most people is cost, and when you get to this really high level of performance, it does cost more. And making it so that the reason I asked the question is, I know from my experience, every time we do a project, we learn something, and the next project's better than the last. And whether it's learning how to make it more efficient in terms of better performance, or whether it's learning how to make it more efficient in terms of the build and more affordable, because the buildability is better.
The buildability is a big thing. We have to know what we're up against, how we're going to. It's about thinking ahead and knowing what's in store. The elimination of thermal bridge around steel beams is a big one, and also being able to get the ventilation system installed efficiently within the thermal envelope so that it meets that passive house standard.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so should we have a look around the house, and maybe you can show us some of the features?
Yeah.